Hello, welcome back. Today I present to you BrailleBot, your very own Braille language trainer. Now, let's dive into what BrailleBot is all about. BrailleBot is built around the robust Romeo ESP32 board from DF Robot, a powerful choice for robotic applications. Featuring 6 dots on its surface, each dot is intricately controlled by a compact servo motor. These dots work harmoniously to provide tactile feedback, representing various letters in the Braille alphabet. But the innovation doesn't end there. BrailleBot goes beyond tactile learning by incorporating an audio system, crafted with precision using Fusion 360 and brought to life through 3D printing. In addition to its tactile and audio features, BrailleBot incorporates user-friendly navigation with 2 touch sensors, one on each side. These touch sensors enhance the learning experience by allowing users to effortlessly navigate to the next or previous alphabet, adding a convenient and intuitive dimension to the BrailleBot's functionality. To embark on your own BrailleBot project, visit makerbrains.com or follow the comprehensive step-by-step build guide available in the detailed article. The guide includes information on required materials, 3D files, and the necessary code. If you find this project intriguing, be sure to show your support by liking and sharing. Stay tuned for more exciting projects in the future. Thank you for your interest, and see you next time.